click on like, share and subscribe button to support our channel.
Good morning one and all. Welcome to Abhi testing tutorial.
The waterfall model is one of the SDLC models. Waterfall model is a sequential model that divides software development into different phases. Each phase is designed for performing specific activity during the SDLC phase. In this waterfall model, there are mainly 6 phases. They are requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. Please click on like, share and subscribe button to support our channel. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Please visit us again.